Imagine standing at the edge of a coastline, where the sea meets the shore in an endless dance. You trace the outline with your finger, and the closer you look, the more intricate it becomes. Tiny coves revealing smaller coves, fractals upon fractals, stretching toward infinity. This is not mere accident, it is the signature of creation itself. Welcome to a journey through the labyrinth of fractals and the divine. Today, we explore how these wonders bridge chaos and order. Let us begin at the genesis of this revelation, the birth of fractal geometry. In the 1970s, Benoit Mandelbrot gazed upon rigid geometries and declared them insufficient. He proclaimed, "Clouds are not spheres, mountains are not cones, coastlines are not circles." Mandelbrot's fractals are shapes defined by recursion, where each part mirrors the whole. Take the Mandelbrot set, born from a simple equation, z squared plus c, iterated endlessly. What emerges is a boundary of infinite complexity, harboring the depth of universes. Zoom in, and bulbs sprout bulbs, spirals unfurl into galaxies of detail. This self-similarity is not repetition but revelation, a mathematical echo of the infinite. Fractals pulse through the veins of creation, like the branching of a tree. From trunk to limb to twig, the pattern repeats, optimizing the flow of life. Even the lightning bolt that cracks the sky follows this rule, forking into veins of plasma. These are not coincidences. They hint at a creator who wields mathematics as a brushstroke. In chaos theory, we learn that deterministic systems birth unpredictability at the edges. Yet, within this seeming disorder lies hidden order, fractal attractors pulling paths toward unity. Is this not the essence of providence? Now, let us descend into the philosophical abyss, where fractals confront eternal questions. Ancient mystics intuited these recursions long before algorithms rendered them visible. Alan Watts spoke of the universe as a cosmic game, where forms dissolve and reform. If reality is fractal, then interconnectedness is not metaphor, but mechanism. The whole is in the part in the whole. Your heartbeat echoes the pulsar's rhythm. This holism challenges reductionism, proposing a universe of nested infinities. Imagine the mind of God, an infinite fractal mind, enfolding all minds within its self-similarity. Yet it is in theology that fractals find their most profound resonance, unveiling the divine. Consider the Christian tradition, the kingdom of God, both mustard seed and heavenly banquet. This is fractal kingship, a realm where a single act of love replicates cosmic redemption. Theologian Paul Tillich spoke of God as the ground of being, the unnameable depth from which all emerges. Fractals visualize this as iterative depths, where zooming into the divine void yields richer forms. We too are fractals of the divine image, each bearing the infinite in finite flesh. The incarnation itself, God descending into humanity, mirroring the fractal's collapse of scales. Even in esoteric streams, fractals encode enlightenment's path, dissolve the ego's boundaries, but delve deeper still into the shadows where fractals confront suffering's jagged edges. Here, intelligent design whispers not of flawlessness, but of resilient beauty. The cross, that ultimate fractal of sacrifice, branches into resurrection's bloom. In this light, fractals become therapeutic, reducing anxiety and attuning us to the divine rhythm. As we near the horizon of this exploration, pause and reflect. What if the universe's fractal nature is God's invitation to wonder? Mandelbrot marveled at these forms as nature's poetry, yet many see in them the mind of the divine. Fractals teach us that God is not found in smooth certainties, but in the complex embrace of all that is.